Okay, I'm going to be talking about to lag or not to lag. And what lagging means is what the left hand and the right hand, do the hands come up together from the old down together, up together, or can you toss the ball ahead of the racket? And here on the left side, you have Thomas Berdych, probably one of the most talented players on the tour. Very, very pure and clean strokes. I love the way this guy hits the ball. And on the right hand side, obviously, Mr. Roger Federer. And they both have big serves, and they both serve differently. And I will show you towards the end of this video analysis the Andy Roddick serve, which actually has no lag whatsoever because he has no backswing. But so I'm going to show you the differences and the similarities on the serve. Now let's start with Thomas Berdych right here, and what he does right there. You will see as I'm starting slowly. This is what I'm going to be about lagging the hand. So you have the tossing hand that goes up, and then you have the racket that stays behind right here. So the racket is down here, and the ball tosses up there. And we'll see the Federer right there with the hands. You see, you can almost draw a straight line right there. He's going to have a little bit of a lag, but not as much of a lag as Berdych right there. But his hands really come up. He has more of the down together, up together than most people do. I can show you right there from a better view of actually Roger right there from the back. We'll get a better view of it. Let me speed it up right there, where you'll see the hands come up together. Now there's a slight little lag where you can't really draw a straight line. You see this slight little lag right there, but obviously a much different two different. Berdych really lags a little bit more right there. So it's just whichever works for you. They're both just as good right there. And but now let's talk about the similarities right there, where Berdych is going to wait, for the ball to be up to start his motion, but pretty much they're both going to get into this. Into that trophy position right there. I mean, he's a little more upright, which I really like that a lot right there. Roger is a little more bent right here, which is fine because obviously he has a pretty good serve that makes it work for him. But they pretty much get into a similar trophy position together right there. Now, the knees are bent forward, much more knee bent Roger than Thomas right there. But now this trophy position is a similarity right there. Now let's speed up Mr. Berdych right there and watch. To me, that's the most important part of the serve right there is the power position when his racket is completely down back there. And the same thing with Roger right here. The racket is down, but Berdych has more of he's going to come from the further point down, and that's why I think Thomas Berdych has a bigger serve. Roger may place the ball better, but Berdych has a lot more power on this serve, more miles per hour on his serve because he has a little deeper power position right there. And so, as long as you get a trophy position and the power position, however you get the ball toss, I'm happy with that. I'm just going to focus on those two serves right there. Now let me show you for a second. I'm going to put Andy Roddick right there. Now from the back, this gets a little better view right there. Now watch what he does. He has, obviously there's no lag because what happens? The hands come up together. So he bypasses the down and back. Both of his hands go up together right there. And he's going to have, I think, out of the three, maybe the more violent motion of the two. I think he bends. I think he bends even more than Roger does, right? That he bends and leans forward, and that's why he has the biggest serve right there. Because look how much coil he has right there when he's about to hit the ball. I mean, a lot of torque that is about to be unleashed into the volley right there. But once again, Andy has a just like Berdych right there. Let me put Thomas Berdych right here. On his serve, the racket is held straight up more, and I kind of like that. You get a little more power out of it. And then there's Andy's, once again, just like Berdych, he's a little deeper into the power position. I think that's why those two hit the ball a little harder than Roger Federer does. But so, anyways, you have different ways of hitting the serve. You have three different ways right there that I just went over. The lagging. Like Thomas Berdych does right there, where when you toss the ball, the racket lags behind, to Roger Federer, which kind of almost keeps it. Let me put Roger in there for you where he keeps the hands kind of, together right there. The arms come up together. You're going to down, so the arms start up here, is down, and they're going to come up together right there. And to the last person, pretty much, is Andy Roddick right there, to no lag, because the arms come up together. So there's 3 different ways of tossing the ball, so don't let anybody tell you that one is better than the other. I think they're all very effective, but as long as you go into your trophy position and your power position, you'll be all set. So just find the motion that is best for you, and hopefully that will be able to help you serve out.